What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best electric bikes 2022, that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. J-Roar C3 electric bicycle owns 450W high-speed brushless motor, top speed of 18.6 miles per hour, with a mileage of 28-38 miles, powered battery by 36V 10R, which makes your eBike commuting just easier. With its max load 265 pounds, dual disc brake system, equipped with front and rear double disc brake, providing powerful, progressive braking in any conditions. 3 riding modes and LCD display. Our electric bike has 3 modes as eBike, pedal assistance bike, bike. Press the power button on the handle to accelerate the bike. The LCD control panel makes it easy to keep tracking of battery. Folding and eco-friendly. Quick folding makes it convenient to put into the car trunk. Save more space for storage or transportation. Provided with good anti-pressure frame. IPX54 waterproof, protects your cycling on rainy days. Electricity-powered design is eco-friendly and zero emissions without air pollution and fun. Number 4. Long-range battery and powerful motor. With modular 36V, 10Ah battery, the Cityscape allows riders to travel up to 40 miles per charge using pedal assist. 350W rear drive motor provides reliable support and 19 miles per hour top speed. Upgrade your commuting better. Improved materials, step-through geometry frame and wide swept-back handlebar. With all the benefits of the Cityscape, this is the true comfort cruiser you've been searching for. Excellent riding experience, equipped with 26 inches puncture-resistant tires, Shimano 7-speed and dual shock absorber. Cityscape lets you get across town like never before. The perfect dual-disc brakes and lighting system fully protect your safety. 3 working modes. Breeze around without the need to pedal at all when using the throttle function. Or, if you fancy pedaling, kick in one of the 3 different levels of pedal assist to help you get where you're going without breaking a sweat. Number 3. Equipped with modular 48V 12.5Ah batteries and 500W brushless geared motor to ensure long lifespan and excellent performance. 4 inches fat tires, with 4-inch wide puncture-resistant fat tires and dual suspension. The places that eBike Mars can take you are almost limitless: downtown, around rocky roads, sandy beaches, snowy suburbs, and even urban jungles. Excellent riding performance. Customize your ride performance with 3 riding modes and Shimano 7-speed. The perfect dual-disc brakes and lighting system fully protect your safety. Foldable and adjustable design. It's hard to beat the convenience of a bike that origamis down to fit your car, but can also make your commute faster and less taxing. Number 2. Powerful electric system with removable 374.4 Wh battery. You can pedal assist to 40 miles per charge using the low pedal assist level. 350W brushless geared motor provides reliable support and 20 miles per hour top speed, providing more than enough to power your daily commute, a cruise on the mountain, or a meander along your favorite trail. You can easily handle most of the hillsides encountered. Turn throttle or pedal assist will provide 4 levels for power assistance. You can choose to turn the thumb throttle or step on the pedal to activate the motor. You can switch between pedal assist and thumb throttle at any time. The 4 levels power output is sufficient to meet your daily commuting needs and outdoor climbing needs. You can add a burst of speed with the throttle, which is ideal for pulling away from traffic lights. Mountain bike configuration. The fork is made of high-strength carbon steel and the frame is made from aluminum alloy. This makes the bike lightweight yet very sturdy. With the 21-speed transmission system, you can choose any speed according to your needs. The perfect front and rear disc brakes fully protect your safety. Aluminum alloy double-walled rims are for greater durability. Number 1. 750W high-speed bathing geared motor. The upgraded model provides stronger electric power with speed reaching up to 28+ mph. Removable larger battery. Comes with 48V/15 Ah larger battery with larger LG cells and longer lifetime, covering a range of 25-40 plus miles per full charge. Removable battery, convenient to bring home or office to recharge. Speed and range, max speed 28 plus mph by pedal, 20 miles per hour by throttle. Range 25 to 40 plus mile by pedal, 35 plus mile by throttle. Calculation based on rider's weight of 75 kilograms. Range varies according to road condition, weather, rider's weight, etc. Good riding experience. Equipped with multifunctional LCD display, hydraulic disc brake system, hydraulic suspension fork, adjustable seat, high brightness front light, anti-skidding fat tire, increased stability, comfort and energetic riding experience. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.